Dive into the world of ancient civilizations where lost technologies unveil secrets of the past. Welcome to Top Thangs, an adventure in history awaits you. From the depths of the Mediterranean Sea, we bring you the first lost technology of the ancients, the Antikythera mechanism. Hailed as the world's first analog computer, this complex device, found in a shipwreck off the Greek island of Antikythera, was used over 2,000 years ago to predict astronomical positions and eclipses for calendrical and astrological purposes. Crafted out of bronze and containing over 30 meshing gears, this intricate device is a testament to the advanced engineering capabilities of the ancient Greeks. But the true purpose and workings of this device still remain a puzzle to modern scientists, adding to the allure of this enigmatic piece of ancient tech. Join us as we continue to explore the mysteries of the Antikythera mechanism and other lost technologies of the ancients in the next segment. Moving from the depths of the Mediterranean Sea, we now journey to the ancient lands of Mesopotamia, where another curious piece of lost technology was uncovered: the Baghdad battery. Discovered in the ruins of what was once ancient Parthia, these fascinating artifacts, dating back to 225 BC, are believed to be among the world's oldest known electric batteries. Each battery is comprised of a terracotta pot, a copper cylinder, and an iron rod, all of which, when filled with an acidic substance like vinegar, could have produced an electrical charge. The purpose of these batteries remains a mystery, with theories ranging from medicinal uses to electroplating gold onto silver objects. While the true function of the Baghdad battery continues to elude us, its existence serves as a stark reminder of the innovative prowess of our ancestors. Stay with us as we continue to unravel the secrets of ancient technologies in our next segment. As we bid farewell to the dusty plains of Mesopotamia, our journey through the lost tech of the ancients brings us next to the heart of the ancient Roman Empire. Here, we find perhaps one of the most astonishing technological feats of the past: the Roman concrete. Unlike the modern concrete, which starts to crumble and decay within just a few decades, the Roman concrete has withstood the test of time, remaining intact for over 2 millennia. Structures like the Pantheon and the Colosseum stand as stoic reminders of this incredible technological achievement. Despite the simplicity of its ingredients, a mix of volcanic ash, lime, seawater, and a volcanic rock called tuff, the Roman concrete's superior durability continues to baffle modern scientists. Recent research suggests that the longevity of Roman concrete may be attributed to a rare mineral called altobermorite, which forms as the concrete interacts with seawater over time. However, the precise method of creating this potent mixture has been lost to the sands of time, leaving us with yet another unsolved mystery of the ancient world. As we strive to comprehend the genius behind these ancient technologies, we cannot help but marvel at the innovative prowess of our ancestors. Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of the lost tech of the ancients in our next segment. From the enduring structures of Rome, we now journey to the arid deserts of Egypt, where the grandeur of the ancient pyramids stands testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors. The pyramids of Giza, particularly the Great Pyramid, have been subjects of intrigue and speculation for centuries. Constructed around 4,500 years ago, the pyramids are an architectural marvel, built with such precision that even modern technology struggles to replicate. But beyond their physical allure, there lies a deeper mystery. Some propose that these structures were not just tombs for the pharaohs, but also served a greater, more esoteric purpose. Several theories suggest that the pyramids were designed to harness and focus cosmic energy. This is based on the pyramid's alignment with the magnetic north, the use of conductive materials like gold and granite in its construction, and its geometric shape. However, hard scientific evidence to support these claims remains elusive. Others present a more practical theory. The pyramids were ancient power plants, harnessing the Earth's natural energies. This idea is based on the presence of large quantities of copper and zinc inside the pyramids, similar to the components of a basic battery. But again, conclusive evidence is lacking. Whether these theories hold merit or are mere conjectures, the pyramids undeniably represent a technological prowess far beyond what we might expect of the ancient world. As we continue to unravel these mysteries, we gain a deeper appreciation for the inventive genius of our forebears. Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of the lost tech of the ancients in our concluding segment. From the mysterious pyramids of Egypt, let's traverse the globe to the arid plains of Peru, where another baffling piece of ancient technology awaits us, the enigmatic Nazca lines. Spread over a 200-square-mile desert plateau, these geoglyphs, created between 500 BC and 500 AD, are a fascinating sight. The Nazca lines, named after the Nazca culture believed to have created them, are a series of vast designs etched into the ground, depicting creatures, plants, and geometric patterns. The fascinating aspect of these designs is their scale and precision. Many of the Nazca lines stretch for miles, yet they were made with such accuracy that they can only be fully appreciated from an aerial viewpoint. This has led to speculation. How did a civilization that predated the invention of flight create such precise figures, visible only from the sky? Some theories suggest that the Nazca people used simple tools and surveying equipment to create these lines. Others propose more fantastical explanations, such as extraterrestrial guidance. However, the true purpose and method of their creation remain a mystery. Were these lines a form of communication with the gods, or perhaps a celestial calendar? Or maybe they served a more practical purpose, like pointing towards water sources in the arid desert. While the answers to these questions remain elusive, the Nazca lines serve as yet another testament to the advanced capabilities of our ancestors and the mysteries they left behind for us to unravel. Stay tuned as we wrap up our journey into the lost tech of the ancients in our final segment. Leaving behind the arid plains of Peru, we venture to the lush jungles of Central America, where the Maya civilization flourished. Here, we encounter one of the most astonishing pieces of ancient technology, the Mayan calendar. Known for their advanced understanding of astronomy and mathematics, the Mayans created a calendar system that still leaves modern scholars astounded. The Mayan calendar consists of 3 separate dating systems: the Tzolkin, the Hab, and the Long Count. The Tzolkin, a 260-day calendar, and the Hab, a 365-day solar calendar, worked in conjunction to create a 52-year cycle, known as a calendar round. This cycle was of great significance to the Mayans, often marking the time for important ceremonies and events. But it's the Long Count calendar that truly showcases the Mayans' astronomical prowess. The Long Count calendar was used to record dates over an extended period, spanning thousands of years. It was so precise that it could predict solar eclipses and other celestial events with remarkable accuracy. Perhaps most fascinating is the fact that the Long Count calendar ends on a specific date, December 21st, 2012. This led to widespread speculation and doomsday theories, with many believing it marked the end of the world. But for the Mayans, it simply represented the end of one cycle and the start of another. So how did a civilization that existed thousands of years ago develop such a complex and accurate calendar? The answer lies in their detailed observations of the cosmos and their deep understanding of cyclical patterns. But much like the other technologies we've explored, the precise workings of the Mayan calendar remain a mystery. Join us in the concluding segment as we wrap up our journey into the lost tech of the ancients. Leaving behind the azure waters of the Mediterranean, we now journey to the lush rainforests of Costa Rica. Here, amidst the dense foliage and vibrant wildlife, lies an enigma that continues to perplex archaeologists and historians alike. Las Bolas, or the stone spheres of Costa Rica. Discovered in the 1930s during agricultural activities, these stone spheres range in size from a mere few centimeters to an astonishing 2 meters in diameter. Some of them weigh as much as 16 tons. But what makes these artifacts truly fascinating is their near-perfect roundness, a feat that would be challenging even with modern technology. Scattered across the Diquís Delta and on the Isla del Cano, these spheres were most likely created by the now extinct Diquís culture. But the purpose of these spheres remains as elusive as the methods used to create them. Were they status symbols, celestial markers, or simply artistic expressions? The theories are as numerous as the spheres themselves. Despite extensive research, the method of their creation is still a mystery. How did the Diquís people, without access to metal tools or advanced technology, managed to shape these boulders into perfect spheres? The answer remains buried in the sands of time. Much like the Antikythera mechanism, the Baghdad battery, the Mayan calendar, or the Greek fire, the stone spheres of Costa Rica are a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of ancient civilizations. Their existence challenges our understanding of our ancestors and fuels our quest to unravel the mysteries they left behind. Join us in the next segment as we continue our exploration into the lost tech of the ancients. Leaving behind the lush rainforests of Costa Rica, we now journey into the enigmatic world of ancient manuscripts. Our next stop is a cryptic relic that has puzzled scholars for over a century, the Voynich manuscript. The Voynich manuscript, named after the Polish book dealer Wilfred Voynich, who purchased it in 1912, is a 240-page book filled with an unknown language or script. The handwritten script, flowing elegantly across the parchment, has yet to be deciphered, despite the best efforts of linguists, cryptographers, and codebreakers. But the mystery of the Voynich manuscript extends beyond its cryptic text. Its pages are adorned with colorful illustrations of bizarre plants, astronomical diagrams, and peculiar events. These illustrations, as cryptic as the text itself, do not seem to match any known species or recognizable astrological or alchemical symbolism. Was it a pharmacopoeia of an ahead-of-their-time botanist, a coded diary of an alchemist, or an elaborate hoax? The theories are as plentiful as they are diverse. Despite modern technologies and the combined efforts of interdisciplinary teams, the Voynich manuscript remains an enigma, a testament to the mysteries that the ancients have left behind. Its existence challenges our understanding of ancient languages and scripts, adding another layer to the rich tapestry of human history. Join us in the next segment as we voyage back to the azure waters of the Mediterranean to uncover the secrets of the Greek fire. Leaving behind the cryptic world of the Voynich manuscript, we embark on a voyage, not on the open sea, but on the parchment of an ancient map. The Piri Reis map, a world map dating back to 1513, has intrigued historians and cartographers alike for its startlingly accurate depiction of the world. But the mystery deepens when we look southward. The map, named after its creator, Piri Reis, a Turkish admiral and cartographer, is a curious blend of known and unknown. It depicts the known world with remarkable accuracy for its time, but the real enigma lies in what should be the uncharted territory. The bottom edge of the map portrays a landmass that aligns surprisingly well with the coast of Antarctica, but here's the twist. It shows Antarctica free from ice, a sight that hasn't been seen for over 6,000 years, and this, centuries before Antarctica was officially discovered. So how did Piri Reis manage to map a land unseen by human eyes? Some suggest that the map is based on even older sources, now lost to history, while others propose more outlandish theories, involving ancient seafarers or even extraterrestrial assistance. Regardless of the truth, the Piri Reis map serves as a reminder of the mysteries that still lie hidden within our own planet. As we continue to unravel the secrets of the ancients, we find that our understanding of the world, both past and present, is constantly being challenged. Join us in the next segment as we voyage back to the azure waters of the Mediterranean to uncover the secrets of the Greek fire. Leaving behind the puzzling antiquity of the Piri Reis map, we now voyage to the Mediterranean, to the small island of Malta. Hidden beneath its surface lies a marvel of the prehistoric world, the Hypogeum of Saflieni. This labyrinthine subterranean complex, carved out of the solid limestone around 2500 BC, is a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancients. But it's not the age or the construction of the Hypogeum that baffles scientists. It's the sound. Uniquely, the Hypogeum possesses incredible acoustic properties. Any sound made within its chambers is amplified enormously, reverberating throughout the entire complex. In fact, a whisper in one chamber can be heard clearly in others, some over 70 meters away. The oracle chamber, the most acoustically sensitive spot, is particularly fascinating. Here, certain frequencies resonate in a way that can induce altered states of consciousness, leading to speculation about its use in ancient rituals. But how did our Stone Age ancestors, with no understanding of acoustics or architecture as we know it, managed to design such a complex? And for what purpose? Some suggest it was a place of worship or an ancestral tomb, while others speculate about more esoteric purposes. Whatever the truth, the Hypogeum of Saflieni stands as a remarkable testament to ancient ingenuity, a mysterious echo from our past that continues to resonate in the present. Join us in the next segment as we set sail back to the azure waters of the Mediterranean to uncover the secrets of the Greek fire. Leaving behind the astonishing acoustics of the Hypogeum, we now journey north to the snowy expanse of Russia, specifically to the Kaliningrad region. Here, on the slender Curonian spit, we encounter a natural mystery that has left scientists scratching their heads for decades: the dancing forest. This pine forest, with its eerie, twisted trees, looks more like a scene from a fairy tale than a scientific enigma. The trees contort into spirals, rings, and other unusual shapes at ground level, before resuming their normal vertical growth. The cause of this bizarre deformation remains a mystery. Some propose geological factors, such as unstable sand dunes or strong winds. Others suggest more complex theories involving unique properties of the local soil or even the magnetic fields of the earth. Perhaps the most intriguing theory is that the strange formations are the result of human interference. Could these trees have been manipulated for some ancient purpose that we can't yet understand? Whatever the cause, the dancing forest stands as a testament to the mysteries of nature. It's a place where science and wonder intersect, reminding us that there are still things in this world that we can't explain. Join us in the next segment as we set sail back to the azure waters of the Mediterranean to uncover the puzzling enigma of the Greek fire. Leaving behind the dancing trees of Russia, we now venture into the heart of the Indian subcontinent. Here we delve into one of the most perplexing mysteries of archaeology: the sudden disappearance of the Indus Valley civilization. Established around 3300 BC, the Indus Valley civilization, also known as the Harappan civilization, was one of the three oldest urban civilizations, alongside Egypt and Mesopotamia. It was a sophisticated and technologically advanced society, boasting well-planned cities, impressive architecture, and a unique system of writing. However, around 1500 BC, this prosperous civilization vanished without a trace. Its once bustling cities were abandoned, and its distinctive script fell into oblivion. The reason behind this sudden disappearance has puzzled historians and archaeologists for centuries. Various theories have been proposed, ranging from devastating natural disasters such as floods or droughts, to invasions by foreign civilizations. Yet, despite extensive archaeological research, no conclusive evidence has been found to support any of these theories. The Indus Valley civilization's disappearance remains an enduring mystery, a testament to the ebb and flow of human societies throughout history. It reminds us that even the most advanced civilizations can fall, their secrets lost to the sands of time. Join us in the next segment as we set sail back to the Mediterranean to uncover the puzzling enigma of the Greek fire. Leaving behind the richly dense jungles of Central America, we now set sail to the azure waters of the Mediterranean, specifically to the ancient city of Byzantium, today known as Istanbul. Here, the Byzantine Empire held a terrifying and powerful weapon that continues to baffle modern scientists: the Greek fire. The Greek fire, a deadly incendiary weapon, was used predominantly at sea. It was particularly feared because it could continue to burn even on water. The exact composition remains a mystery even today, with many attempts to recreate it resulting in failure. Accounts from the time describe it as a flame-throwing device, spewing forth a stream of fire that was near impossible to extinguish. The primary method of deployment was through tubes or siphons mounted on the prow of Byzantine galleys. Although the exact ingredients and manufacturing process remain a secret lost to time, historical records suggest a mixture of petroleum, sulfur, and possibly quicklime. However, the elusive wet fire component that allowed the fire to burn on water is still unknown. Was it a unique substance found only in the Byzantine Empire? Or was it a technological marvel of chemistry, a secret guarded so closely that it vanished with the fall of the empire itself? Much like the Antikythera mechanism, the Baghdad battery, and the Mayan calendar, The Greek fire is a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of ancient civilizations. Their understanding of the natural world, combined with their innovative spirit, resulted in technologies that continue to puzzle, amaze, and inspire us. Join us in the next episode as we culminate our journey through the lost tech of the ancients. Thank you for watching Top Thangs.